Welcome to UPSC Vinoth. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic for the prelims, that is Iran. See, Iran is one of the most important country in West Asia. Okay, so and also it is one of the most important strategic location for oil reserve. So this becomes every year Iran, Iraq. See, these two countries comes into the news with respect to oil and USA's conflicts. Okay, so now let us start discussing the geography of Iran. See, first of all, bordering countries. So, Iran is bordered by Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan. The land borders with Iran is Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan. Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan. The water bodies which are bordering the Iraq is Caspian Sea at the north, Persian Gulf at the south, Gulf of Oman at the southeast. See, so generally southeast at Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman at south. Okay, generally three water bodies: Caspian Sea, and Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Okay, so other than this, the geography of the Iran is Zagros Mountain, Zagros Mountain, and Albros Mountain. Mount Damwand. Mount Damwand is one of the highest mountain, that is volcanic mountain in the Iran. Okay, most of the Iran is surrounded by Iranian plateau. Iranian plateau. And it also and the border of the Iran is earthquake prone zone also. Earthquake prone zone also. And you know one of the most important strait, one of the most important global choke point is Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz, Persian Gulf, Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is present bordered by Iran. Strait of Hormuz is bordered by Iran, UAE. Iran, UAE. Okay. Strait of Hormuz is bordered by Iran, UAE. And finally, it comes to Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea has no role in with compared to Iran. And one of the important port is Chabahar port. Chabahar port is present in Iran. Okay. See, the water bodies Caspian Sea, Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, and mostly dominated by Iranian plateau. Mostly dominated by Iranian plateau and mountains we had saw. See, these are all not important for the exam. Border countries are important for exam, but when compared to Iraq, see Iran, there is more issues when other than asking bordering countries. Okay, so strategic importance. Strait of Hormuz. See, Strait of Hormuz plays a major role. Strait of Hormuz plays a major role. 20% of global sea crude oil to the globe is through this Gulf of Oman. That means Strait of Hormuz. This is one of the most important strategic choke point. Okay, India depends upon the Iran for energy and Persian Gulf for energy. Chabahar port, access to Afghanistan and Central Asia by bypassing Pakistan. The Chabahar port is created to bypass the Pakistan. Okay, and INSTC, International North South Corridor. INSTC as also with which to improve the trade with Iran and Europe. Okay. Oil and natural gases. See, generally, one of the world largest gas field, one of the world largest gas field is located in Iran. South Pass gas field. South Pass gas field. This is South Pass gas field. This belongs to Iran and Saudi Arabia. This belongs to Iran and Saudi Arabia. Okay. And other than this, the major oil fields, see, major oil fields is Azov. So Gashar, Maran, Aganjar, Aghajari. See, these are and all very difficult to pronounce. So see, mostly they can ask the question with respect to these areas. Okay. And offshore Persian Gulf oil fields. Offshore Persian Gulf, there are also some of the oil fields. Okay. Abu Zahar, Forzan. Okay, so these are all oil fields. Major refineries are Abdhan, one of the oldest and largest refinery, and Bandar Abbas. So Tehran, Isfahan, Arak, so Tabriz. These are all major oil refineries. See, these are all major oil refineries. Okay, now some of the important sites, some of the important nuclear sites which we can expect the question with respect to this year prelims. So Fardon is located at Iran. Fardon is located at Iran. See, it is fuel enrichment plant. And Arak is heavy water reactor. Arak is heavy water reactor. And Bushehr nuclear power plant. Sorry, Isfahan is an uranium conversion facility. Isfahan with uranium conversion facility. Bushehr is nuclear power plant. Tehran is research center. See, UPSC may ask, Fardan, Arak, Isfahan, Bushehr is located at which countries? Okay, see, Natanz is Iran's primary uranium enrichment facility. Natanz is Iran's uranium primary enrichment facility. Fine. These are all the important keywords, so which we can expect in the prelims. And next important thing is islands and gas fields. Islands and gas fields. South Parsh gas field. We already said South Parsh gas field. What located between Persian Gulf? Located at Persian Gulf. Where it is located? Persian Gulf. Between which two countries? Iran and Qatar. They can ask Iran and Saudi Arabia. No, it is wrong. It is present between Iran and Qatar. Okay. It is a path of North Dome South Pass. So it is a path of North Dome South Pass. The name. Okay. Path of North Dome South Pass. The largest natural gas field in the world. See, this is the keyword. The largest natural gas field in the world. Contains nearly 10% of global natural gas reserve. It contains nearly 10% of global natural gas reserve. See, this year, it is very important this year because a major attack has been made over this area. So the oil supply has been impacted. Okay, and also raising tensions over Middle East. So this makes reduce availability of the oil, price rise. See, this always have an impact of global energy market, raising the prices, and it is strategic importance. The supply chain disruption is also takes place. So major attacks, explosions, and causes tensions around Middle East. Okay, so supply disruptions is also caused. And now we are going to one of the most important part of the prelims. Islands belongs to Iran. See, islands. This year, islands with respect to Iran's was in the news. Okay, Iranian island. Fine. So, Karich Island. So, Karich Island is also known as Crown Gel. Karch Island is also known as Crown Gel. So, it is located 30 meters away from the coast. See, always all islands contains oil. Generally, Iran is oil. That's all. Karch Island belongs to Iran. And Kohesham Island. Kohesham Island is largest island in the Gulf. This also belongs to Iran. Near Bandar Abbas port is there. Okay. So near Bandar Abbas port is there. This is belongs to Iran. Okay. So again, all the cities. Lark Island. This also located at this is located at Hormuz, south of Hormuz. So same, it belongs to Iran. See, Kohesham Island, Karsh Island, Lark Island. So these are under islands located. These islands contains oil and also important for strategic location. And now Strait of Hormuz and Abu Musa. Abu Musa is largest of three islands, but it has issue. Abu Musa is island. Abu Musa is located here, and it is claimed by UAE also. It is claimed by UAE. Abu Musa is sitting at northern edge of UAE, claimed by UAE, but it is belongs to Iran. Okay, fine. See, simply they will ask Kutch Island, Hormuz Island, Lark Island, Kohesham Island, Bandar Abbas belongs to which country? Iran. Bandar Abbas belongs to which country? Iran. And Abu Musa Island belongs to Iran. So they will replace the word with UAE. Abu Musa Island belongs to Iran. Okay. And fine. Two tiny islands near the strait, greater and lesser tubs, greater and lesser tubs. These also belongs to Iran. Greater and lesser tubs. So these are all critical points. So like Abu Musa Island claimed by UAE. So greater and lesser tribes is heavily militarized outpost. It is claimed it belongs to Iran. It belongs to Iran. So Kishi Island. So Kishi Island is a visa free trade zone and Iran's most popular resort destination. Kishi Island. Okay, fine. So these are all islands with respect to Iran. And other than this, straits, strategic location of straits. See, this, although this seems to be too much factual, you can expect question here. Fine. Babe Mandal Strait. You know that Babe Mandal Strait. Already UPSC asked question with respect to Babe Mandal Strait. The Babe Mandal Strait is known as Gate of Tears. Gate of Tears. See, Babe Mandal Strait is known as Gate of Tears. Okay. So, see, it is it is one of the major global choke point. It is also one of the major global choke point. Fine. Next thing, Red Sea. So Red Sea, you know that already UPSC asked question with respect to Red Sea. This is the Endoric Sea, and see, no river flows here. No river flows here. No river inlet here. UPSC asked question with respect to this Red Sea. Okay, fine. So Red Sea is bordered by DESI. Red Sea is bordered by DESI countries. That is, Djibouti, Eritrea, DESSY. So Djibouti, Eritrea, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Yemen. Okay. Okay, fine. Sudan. Sorry, in another S for Sudan. Fine. This is important point with respect to DESI. UPSC already asked the question with respect to this DESI, Red Sea. Gold Street. It's an UNESCO World Heritage Site located at Iran. Fine. So, and Natan's enrichment plant, it was in the news. Fordowa, Arak, Isfahan, Bushehr, Tehran. Already I had discussed a video with respect to Iran, West Asia. In that, I had discussed all these things about Natan's. Okay. So, again, Litani River is a strategic buffer zone. Litani River is in Iran. It is in strategic buffer zone. Litani River is between Blue Line. It's a key as a buffer zone. Okay, fine. So these are all important points with respect to UPSC prelims. Okay. Litani River is the longest river. It is with Lebanon. Litani River is the longest river. It's with Lebanon. Okay, it is in Lebanon. Lebanon, longest river in Lebanon. Okay, fine. So already we had discussed all the important points with respect to prelims, and this video will be an additional with respect to prelims. That is because this Iran seems to be more vulnerable, and this West Asia region is also seems to be more vulnerable. Okay, thank you.